welcome back into my YouTube channel. So it's me again, you are at the Dimple'sChannel, and yeah, for today's video we'll be doing our reaction video. I don't know if it is a documentary reaction, so this is the first time that I'm gonna watch this video. In this video, guys, is entitled of Tanah Papua, a Paradise for Birds. So like there is some of the Indonesian requested about this one, so I'm being curious. So right now I'm going to react this one, so I'm super excited to react this video. So without further ado, let's go and jump in to the video. Oh, I heard a sound of chicken or birds. Oh, wow, sure.
Anak-anak, sekarang kami sudah di hutan kita. Kenapa kita mau datang seperti ini supaya kalian tahu ke depan kita.
So it's like a documentary video, like some of the traveler like documented this place. I don't know. Let's just see, guys. Let's watch this until then. Wow! Just look at the bird. My God, it's so beautiful. Oh my God! I haven't seen that like that bird, guys. Oh my God, red bird of paradise. Oh, magnificent bird of paradise. Oh my God. I can't believe it that those birds are still exist, guys, because you know when I saw or like going to zoo like few years ago now, I just only saw like the eagles, so they kept it in the zoo na lang, no? So in this country, in the Indonesia, this kind of birds still exists, guys, which is I can't believe it because this is the first time that I saw this kind of birds. Oh my God. Oh, 12 wild bird paradise, western parotia. Oh my God, creator bird of paradise. Oh my God, there are a lot of birds. Shit. Wow. Oh,
Indonesia's land of Papua.
This is the land of Papua. West Papua.
Consisting of two provinces, Papua supports one of the only remaining large tropical forests in the world.
Whoa.
With the Amazon and Congo basins, these forests serve as the lungs of the planet. And in Papua, they are the lifeblood of the people.
Whoa.
Dan yang terutama yang membuat saya sangat terkesan itu karena hutan di Papua itu memberi banyak kehidupan untuk masyarakat di Papua. Jadi
all resources,
sumber kehidupan mereka tuh sebetulnya di hutan.
Whoa. Oh my
Papua's
God.
geography contains a variety of ecosystems: coasts, mangroves, forests, and mountains that supports roughly half of Indonesia's biodiversity.
Oh my God.
Over
In short, guys, Indonesia, like they all own the resources, like green living.
600 species of birds are found in Papua, including the birds of paradise, many of which live nowhere else on Earth.
Dan untuk saya burung di Papua, apalagi cendrawasih, itu sangat luar biasa, sangat
Yeah,
unik,
it's
sangat
very
cantik.
unique. Those birds.
Nggak bisa dilupakan.
The birds of paradise are icons of Papua's biodiversity. Their unparalleled beauty has made them a symbol of international renown.
Yang burung yang itu
Bird
kulit orang
watching
selalu
area.
suka untuk cari-cari di dekat kampung.
Kita dengar ini suara toh, kita dengar suara kalau kita jalan pagi dengar suara langsung kita jalan pas dapat suara itu baru ketemu ini dia punya sarang.
Global interest in Papua's bird life is leading to increased opportunity for wildlife tourism, bringing newfound economic benefits to local communities.
Burung-burung yang seperti kakatua raja, kakatua putih, rangkong.
This place must be protected, guys, because nature is a treasure that need to have a care. And Indonesia does not only have that is attraction like the ballet for tourists, but this one is one of the discovery that there is a deepest nice place in the Indonesia.
Yang dia main di sini, main di tanah.
They
Kita jalan lagi ketemu
have
ini.
the unique name,
Ini Parotia, oh,
Parotia
tempatnya
and
main
Magnificent.
Burung yang kita akan panggil khusus yang malam itu Papua.
I think those birds are friendly. Ooh, cute. Oh my god. Can you see the forest?
Sop tu kay memnya mem tuma wencap tuma arane no ne bisam punya tumi tie chem. Punya tun cita din jam ti chem nya tu hong tu no ko indamnya tu hong tu no kay chem.
But these forests are no longer isolated from the rest of the world. The demand for timber, palm oil, minerals, and gas has
Well,
arrived.
They have everything.
The future existence of Papua's resources and biodiversity and the communities that rely on them depend on the choices made today.
Wow, my god. They have
The governments of Papua and West Papua are bringing together non-government, community, academic, and religious partners to create a sustainable pathway for development.
Adik-adik yang kecil bilang jangan potong ini, jangan tebang kayu itu karena guna untuk burung untuk bawa uang.
There are plenty of examples of ecosystems destroyed by overexploitation. With its forests still intact, Papua has the opportunity to develop in a way that allows both its people and its environment to thrive.
Keindahan yang di Raja Ampat khususnya di Saporgren itu sangat indah sekali.
Recent successes in the marine environments of the Raja Ampat region of West Papua show that development and conservation can go hand in hand. Within the forests, local leaders are organizing their communities with similar goals.
Wow.
Jadi yang guna untuk kita ada 3 hal yang lebih penting
So
untuk kita.
obviously, guys, the people here or who live here, they always take good care to the nature, like because it says there that their food depends on nature.
1, hutan. 2, konservasi. 3, pariwisata.
Yang penting kita jaga burung baik-baik. Mereka lihat ya uang itu langsung.
They need to take good care to the forest, guys, because that is the house of those
The
birds.
forests, the birds, and the communities make this region
Yo,
unique
it's very
and
unique.
irreplaceable.
Kalau hutan di Papua harus hancur, masyarakat di Papua itu sudah tidak punya apa-apa lagi. Jadi kehidupan mereka dan harta mereka itu adalah di hutan.
Oh, it's beautiful.
As the lungs of the planet, tropical forests are an important buffer against our changing climate. If Papua's ecosystems are degraded, the effects will be felt not just locally, but across the
Yes.
world.
Arfak ini berguna sekali untuk masa depan.
Through collaborative leadership, achieving sustainable growth, maintaining the livelihood of local communities, and protecting globally significant biodiversity are possible for Tanah Papua and all of humanity.
I think, guys, it's nice to live in that place. Like, it's very beautiful.
Alam Papua sangat indah.
So beautiful.
Jadi saya minta kepada masyarakat Papua umumnya, mari kita jaga negeri kita yang indah ini.
Let's protect our
Sehingga ke depan anak cucu kita
nature.
akan menikmati apa yang kita rasakan hari ini.
So they are
dan
lucky, guys, so that
seterusnya.
they have that
Mari.
resources.
Kita mendukung konservasi yang
So
ada
you
di
will really understand
Papua
because there is the
umumnya.
English subtitle. Wow.